The largest iceberg in the Arctic Ocean is the Woolard Island iceberg, located in Greenland's Sermeck-Avonalak Fjord. Its exact size is unknown, but it is thought to have an area of around 419 square miles. The iceberg covers the entire width of the fjord and is the most massive one in the Arctic Ocean. It was discovered in August of 2015 when ground-based radar meant to track icebergs recorded its large size. Despite its large size, its height is relatively low of only 30 to 50 meters. It was believed to have been dislodged when a nearby glacier shifted direction. Scientists have identified the iceberg as a driftberg, or a large block of ice that has been blown off land and is now drifting freely in the sea. The Woolard Island iceberg is made of freshwater glacial ice and it is estimated to have over 1 trillion tons of mass. This large mass is enough to raise sea levels by several inches if it melts. The iceberg has been monitored closely by scientists and satellites since it was discovered. Its location has been tracked in the sea since then and it does not seem to be moving towards land. This is due to ocean currents and because the driftberg is thicker than the surrounding surface of sea ice. In order to determine the exact size of the iceberg more accurately, scientists have used airplanes to fly over it. It is possible that the Woolard Island iceberg could break apart if it enters the warmer part of the ocean. Other than its size, there is not much known about the iceberg since its discovery. It could be that the iceberg could drift for months or even years before melting away altogether. However, because the iceberg is so large it causes concern for some scientists, as the iceberg can cause dangerous waves near coastal communities in northern Arctic. The location of this iceberg has led to debates about how the Arctic Ocean might be warming and changing due to climate change. Some experts worry that if the global climate continues to rise, the Arctic Ocean could become more vulnerable to large icebergs, like the Woolard Island iceberg. It has become one of the most studied icebergs due to its size and the surrounding concern about its effect on the Arctic Ocean. Even though the Woolard Island iceberg is the biggest iceberg in the Arctic Ocean, it is not the only one. Many other smaller icebergs are present and could pose a danger if they enter areas that are more susceptible to melting. Therefore, as our understanding of icebergs and climate change continue to grow, monitoring icebergs has become increasingly important. The Woolard Island iceberg serves as a reminder of how challenging studying and understanding climate change can be. Scientists and researchers continue to research and monitor this landmark iceberg to understand more of its significance.